no fear can hold. From sacred roots our spirits grow, like ancient rivers steady flow. Each sunrise whispers calm and clear. Your brightest season now draws near. Hold your vision, stand your ground. Hope is where true strength is found. Every heartbeat keeps the flame, calling every soul by name. Mountains still rise toward the sky, teaching every dream to fly. Faith becomes the wind we ride, truth forever as our guide. One people, one destiny, walking in humility. Hand in hand we'll overcome until a brighter world has come. Our ancestors planted seeds, watered them with noble deeds. Now it's ours to guard the light, standing firm for what is right. No chain can bind a willing heart. Every ending births a star. Through every valley, through each climb, love will conquer space and time. Lift the weary, share the bread. Speak with wisdom, gently tread. The strongest tree begins so small, yet reaches high above us all. Together every voice will sing of the peace that hope can free. Mountains still rise toward the sky, teaching every dream to fly. Freedom blooms where truth is sown. In every heart the light has grown. One spirit, many hands, building hope across all lands. The dawn belongs to those who see the strength of love and unity. May our footsteps leave a way for generations yet to pray. With courage, faith, and hearts set free, we'll write tomorrow's legacy. From the heartbeat of the ancient land, we rise together hand in hand. Every mountain, every plain carries hope through joy and pain. The voices of our elders call, teaching love can conquer all. Deeply rooted, standing tall, we answer every righteous call. Lift your eyes beyond the night. Every sunrise brings new light. Faith will guide each humble soul until the broken become whole. We are children of the sacred soil, born to rise through every trial. With fearless hearts and open hands, we'll plant new hope across the lands. Truth will blossom, freedom grow, like the mighty rivers flow. One united family, walking toward our destiny. The wisdom carved through passing years turns our struggles into strength, not fears. Every child deserves to stand safe beneath a peaceful land. No burden lasts forevermore. Love unlocks the strongest door. The seeds of justice that we sow will bless the generations to grow. Let compassion shape our way, turning darkness into day. No voice is small when joined as one. A brighter future has begun. The fire within forever burns as every faithful heart returns. We are children of the sacred soil, strong through faith and honest toil. Side by side our spirits sing. Hope is carried on the wind. Truth and wisdom light the flame. Every nation shares one aim. Freedom echoes loud and clear. A brighter tomorrow now is near. Walk with courage, stand with grace. See the beauty in every face. Together we will always be guardians of hope and liberty. From sacred valleys, strong and wide, lives a flame we hold with pride. Every heartbeat tells the story of humble strength, not earthly glory. Our roots reach deeper than the years, growing stronger through the tears. Lift your spirit, lift your eyes, see the truth beyond disguise. Stand together side by side, with love forever as our guide. We carry the throne of the ancestors, built on faith that lives within us. With hands of peace and hearts set free, we'll shape tomorrow's destiny. Truth will bloom where justice grows, like the mighty river flows. One family beneath the sun, many voices beating as one. The wisdom comes strong we are, no shadow lasts beyond the dawn. Every night gives birth to more. Freedom lives in every soul. When unity becomes the goal, plant the seeds with patient hands. Hope will flourish through the lands. Teach the children to believe. In the harvest they will reap. No walk in silence, hearts that sing. Peace is born when truth takes wing. We carry the throne of the ancestors, lighting paths for those beside us. Bound by wisdom, hope and grace, building peace in every place. Faith will guide our journey still, stronger than the tallest hill. Together we will always stand, one bright future, one shared land. Let the morning song arise, shining through united eyes. With every step and every breath, love will conquer fear and death. Morning breaks across the hills, carrying hope the silence fills. Every step upon the earth reminds us all of sacred word. From ancient roots our spirits rise, like eagles soaring through the sky. No shadow lingers where truth remains. Love outlives both loss and pain. Hold your courage, stand upright. Faith will turn the dark to light. Every heart can help restore what the world is longing for. Guided by the eternal flame, every soul is more than a name. Strong in purpose, bold and free, walking toward our destiny. Truth will blossom, peace will grow, like the rivers on these grow. Together we will rise as one, until the work of love is done. The wisdom of the elders lives in every lesson life still gives. The songs of hope we choose to sing can heal a heart and lift a king. No chain can bind a faithful mind when hope seeds we plant with steady hands will bloom across the distant lands. Lift the weary, calm the fear. Let compassion draw us near. Every child deserves to know the strength that only kindness grows. United voices, firm and true, can build a world that's bright and new. Guided by the eternal flame, every soul is more than a name. Rooted deep in dignity, growing through our unity. Freedom echoes in the breeze, carried through the tireless trees. With faith, wisdom, hope, and grace, we leave a light for every place. May tomorrow proudly see the harvest of humanity. Together standing hand in hand, peace will flourish through the land. The morning speaks through wind so clear, calling every heart to hear. Not with fear, nor wrath, nor pride, but with truth we cannot hide. Every choice becomes a seed, growing from each word and deed. The path we walk, the love we share, shapes the future waiting there.
Stand with courage, stand with grace. Justice shines in every place. Faith will lead through darkest night, till the dawn reveals the light.
This is the hour of truth. Arise, lift your vision to the skies. Build with mercy, stand with peace. Let compassion never cease. One strong family, hand in hand, healing hearts across the land. Hope will bloom where love is sown. Together we'll reclaim our home.
From ancient roots our wisdom grows, like the river gently flows. Every elder's faithful voice teaches every soul a choice. Break the silence, heal the pain, let forgiveness fall like rain. No chain can bind a mind set free, united in integrity.
Raise the children with the truth, guard the dreams of every youth. Every mountain can be climbed with patient hearts and steady minds. Faith will turn the night to day, love will always find a way. Oh, this is the hour of truth. Arise, see tomorrow through clear eyes. Strong in purpose, brave and wise, watch a brighter world arise. Freedom echoes far and wide, with compassion as our guide. Hope and justice light the flame, and peace will never be the same. Let our footsteps lead
shining through the longest night. Side by side we'll always stand, building hope across the land. First light touching the earth, every soul awakens to its worth. Ancient footsteps pave the way, guiding hearts into a brighter day. Like the baobab standing tall, shake the roots below, where faith and hope forever grow. Lift your spirit to the breeze, find your strength among the trees. Hand in hand our voices blend, love is where all journeys end. Set free, growing strong in unity. Truth will bloom in every land. Peace is built by every hand, with courage shining like the sun. Many voices beat as one. Hope will carry us along. Life becomes a living song. Wisdom of the elder stage, lighting up tomorrow's way. Every child deserves to know the power found when kindness grows. Freedom starts within the heart, where compassion plays its part. Every mountain we ascend brings us closer in the end. Plant the seeds of dignity, water them with honesty. Let forgiveness break the chains, healing hearts from hidden pain. Ooh, standing firm through
the nation as you rise. Rooted deep in ancient grace, strength is written on your face. Every dream you choose to sow becomes a forest still to grow. Walk with wisdom, walk with pride. Let compassion be your guide. Through every season strong you'll stand, building hope across the land. Daughters of the rising earth, guardians of enduring worth, voices woven into time, turning struggle into rhyme. With courage shining like the dawn, you inspire to generations born. Faith and love will light the way, leading us to brighter days. Your spirit flows like endless streams, nurturing tomorrow's dreams. The stories carried through your song teach the world where we belong. No chain can hold a heart so free, grounded in integrity. Every step you choose to take helps a sleeping world awake. Lift the children, plant the seed, show them hope through every deed. Truth will blossom where you stand, peace will spread from hand to hand. Together every voice can rise, like eagles reaching open skies. Diners of the rising earth, living proof of timeless worth, rooted in a sacred flame. Every soul can do the same. With unity our future grows like
sunrise paints the sky with gold, carrying stories the ancestors told. The rivers taught my soul to stand with gentle strength and open chest. No storm could wash my roots away. They bloom with every brand new day. Every step is filled with grace. Hope is written on every face. Lift your eyes beyond the fear. A brighter season now is here. From the ancient ground we rise, with fearless hearts and lifted eyes, bound by truth and unity, walking toward our destiny. Faith will carry every dream, stronger than the rushing stream. Together we will proudly stand, building peace across the land. The wisdom carried through the years turns our trials into strength, not tears. Every child deserves to know the light that lives within can grow. Freedom starts inside the soul when love becomes our highest goal. With every voice and every song, we remind the world where we belong. Plant the seeds of honesty, water them with dignity. Lift the weary, calm the pain, let compassion fall like rain. No mountain stands too high to climb when hearts unite across all time. From the ancient ground we rise, like the dawn across the skies. Hope will blossom, truth will reign, love will break oppression's chain. One tomorrow, one embrace, every nation, every place. Hand in hand our spirits sing of the brighter world we'll bring. May our roots forever grow like the rivers gently flow. With courage, faith and unity, we'll write tomorrow's legacy.
scar becomes a sign that stronger roots can still entwine. From the soil of ancient grace, we find our strength and claim our place. The winds may bend the tallest tree, but never steal its dignity. Open your heart to the morning light, leave behind the longest night. Fate will guide each step you take, for every dawn brings Together we can heal the pain like gentle sunshine after rain. Lift the weary, share your light. Turn despair to hope so bright. No mountain stands beyond our climb. When hearts unite beyond all time, the roots grow deeper every day as truth becomes the guiding way. A new morning rising high, with fearless hearts we'll always try. Faith will lead through every storm, helping brighter days be born. One tomorrow, one embrace. Hope will flourish every place. Side by side our spirits sing of the peace that love can bring. May the rivers always flow, teaching every heart to grow. With courage, truth, and unity, we'll shape tomorrow's legacy. The darkest night can never hold a heart that's brighter than pure gold. From ancient hills to oceans wide, hope still walks by our side. The roots run deep beneath our feet, where strength and purpose always meet. Every stumble, every climb shapes the spirit over time. Hear the wind, it softly calls. Rise again though you may fall. Faith will lift your weary soul. Love will make the broken whole. Another sunrise fills the sky, calling every dream to rise. Every heartbeat knows the way toward a brighter, freer day. Hand in hand we'll stand as one, shining brighter than the sun. Truth and hope will light the flame, and nothing stays the same. The voices of our mothers sing of the strength that roots can bring. The wisdom of the elders grows like the mighty river flows. No chain can bind a faithful heart when love becomes the strongest part. The seeds of peace we plant today will bloom along tomorrow's way. Lift your eyes beyond the fear. A new beginning now is here. Build with kindness, walk with grace. Honor every tribe and race. Together every soul can see the power of true unity. Another sunrise fills the sky, where fearless dreams are born.
hope can grow. With courage, faith, and dignity, we'll write a timeless legacy. The morning sun reveals the way, a brand new promise with each day. Ancient roots beneath our feet guide the rhythm of every heartbeat. From every valley, every hill, hope is growing stronger still. No storm can steal the light we bear. When faith is carried everywhere, raise your hands, release your fear. The voice of truth is always near. Side by side we'll walk as one, until a brighter day has come. One horizon, one clear sky. Lift your spirits, rise up high. With hearts united, brave and free, we'll shape a brighter destiny. Truth will bloom where kindness grows, like a river softly flows. Hope will shine through every land, built by every willing hand. The wisdom of our elders lies in every lesson that life gives. The roots of courage still remain, growing stronger after pain. Every child deserves to dream, like sunlight dancing on the stream. Freedom starts within the soul, when love becomes our common goal. No barrier can stop the dawn. Its golden light keeps moving on. The seeds we plant Love belongs to every place. Truth and freedom lead the way toward a brighter yesterday. Oh, and a stronger today.
From the hills where the sunrise calls, hope still echoes through ancient walls. Every heartbeat plants a seed, growing into righteous deeds. Hands once burdened now build anew, guided by a faithful view. The road is long, the climb is steep, yet sacred promises we keep. Raise your vision to the sky, every dream was born to fly. Stand as one through every trial, love will carry every mile. Wear the crown of tomorrow, leave behind the weight of sorrow. Truth will light the path ahead, by living up our hearts are led. Rooted deep in dignity, growing strong in unity. No force can break a faithful soul, together we become whole. Wisdom flows like mountain streams, feeding every hopeful dream. From the roots of those before comes the strength to open doors. Freedom lies where justice grows, in every heart that truly knows. With humble minds and lifted eyes, a brighter generation will rise. Let no fear command your way, faith will welcome every day. The fire within forever burns, as every soul awakens, learns. Hand in hand we cross the sea, bound by truth and liberty. Wear the crown of tomorrow, leave behind the weight of sorrow. Every voice becomes a flame, lighting hope in every name. Rooted deep in dignity, standing firm in unity. The dawn is ours to faithfully see, walking strong and living free. May our children always know the power found when kindness grows. With courage, peace, and hearts made strong, we'll keep the light forever on.
hand to hand, builds the future of our land. No burden lasts forevermore. Love unlocks the strongest door. Every mountain we must climb shapes the hope of every time. Let compassion lead the fight, turning darkness into light. Every seed of peace we sow creates the world our children know. Together no one stands alone, unity becomes our home. We are guardians of the flame, standing tall we rise again, bound by truth and unity, walking toward our destiny with open hearts and steady hands. Hope will spread through every land, freedom song forever grows, like the strongest river flow. May our courage never cease, building justice, love and peace from every nation. Side by side, we'll walk with dignity and pride. Morning breaks with a sacred flame, calling every soul by name. From ancient roots our spirits grow, like mighty rivers that always flow. Every mountain, every scar shows us how resilient we are. Through every trial, through every test, the truth within now shines the rest. Lift your eyes beyond the pain, every storm will end in rain. Stand together hand in hand, love will heal this wounded land. Rise with the dawn, let your spirit shine. Hope is the seed in every vine. Walk in wisdom, fearless and free, building tomorrow for all to see. One heartbeat, one destiny, bound by faith and unity. No chain can hold a soul that's strong. Together we'll keep moving on. Echoes of our elders remain, guiding hearts through joy and pain. Every child deserves the light, every dream a chance to rise.